In this video, I'm going to show you where to get promo codes for Macy's. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. I'm going to open up any web browser on my device. I'm going to go to Google. And now once I'm inside Google, I'm going to type in promo codes for Macy. And now I'm going to hit search. And now you can see inside the Google search results, we've got Real Tell Me Not. You got Groupon.com, Coupon Follow, MarieClaire.com, Join Honey. So you got all these big third-party sites that offer these promo codes. Any one of these sites will work. Just check the expiration dates and make sure it's not expired, the code. So I'm going to use Real Tell Me Not for this demonstration. And as you can see here, there's 23 verified offers on June the 17th. I'm making this video on June the 17th. These codes do change daily or weekly, so come back when you want to see different codes or deals. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use this one here, up to 40% off. As you can see, it's verified today. And down below, you got 1.3k users today, 25% off with Macy's Tech Site Up. I might actually use that one. So I'm going to click into this deal here. And now, as it says, it's taken me to Macy's. And now when you do your tech sign up, you'll save 25% off. So you can check out all these different sites here. I'll go to Coupon Follow. That's a really good place to get promo codes as well. So you can see you got 25% off, you got 30% off, 60% off, etc. So for this one here, I'm going to click on the first one here, save 25% off. Promo extra 25% off your order. So I'm just going to click on copy and now paste this at the checkout section of Macy's to receive the 25% off my order.